Good morning everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating journey through art history with a focus on the enduring influence of Islamic art on Western artistic traditions. We'll dive into how cross-cultural exchanges have shaped architecture, decorative arts, and even some of the most iconic masterpieces of the Renaissance. It's an exciting topic that reveals the rich interplay between different cultures and how art transcends borders and time. Let's begin. The Islamic world has played a significant role in shaping Western artistic traditions, a result of centuries of cultural exchange and historical interactions. This influence can be seen across a wide range of art forms, from impressive architectural designs to intricate decorative arts, highlighting a shared heritage that connects the East and West. By acknowledging this connection, we emphasize the importance of cross-cultural dialogue in the development of Western art. Ultimately, understanding these influences enriches our appreciation of the global evolution of artistic expression. When we look at the influence of Islamic architecture on Western design, several key features stand out. The horseshoe and pointed arches, for example, brought a new level of elegance and structural innovation that hadn't been seen before. Domes, which were a hallmark in Islamic buildings, became prominent in Western religious and civic structures as well. Another important element was the use of elaborately tiled courtyards, which not only added decorative beauty but also created functional outdoor spaces. One of the most visible places where these influences took hold was in Spain, particularly during the period of Moorish rule. Here, Islamic architectural characteristics deeply shaped the aesthetic and construction techniques, leaving a lasting legacy. Finally, the impact on Gothic cathedrals is quite significant. The adoption of pointed arches, borrowed from Islamic design, helped architects achieve soaring ceilings and interiors filled with light, which became defining features of Gothic architecture. This blend of ideas showcases the rich cross-cultural exchange that shaped architecture across medieval Europe. In Western art, we see the adoption of distinctive Islamic decorative styles that really stand out. One key feature is the use of complex geometric patterns, which focus on symmetry and repetition, creating a sense of order and harmony. Another important element is the arabesque, which includes flowing, vegetal designs that add a rhythmic and organic feel to the artwork. Additionally, calligraphy is not just a means of writing but is also used decoratively, adding an aesthetic dimension to the pieces. These beautiful motifs found their way into various forms of art, such as illuminated manuscripts, which are richly decorated texts, as well as in tapestries and numerous religious artworks. This wide range of applications highlights their versatility and appeal across different mediums. Beyond their decorative function, these motifs carry deep cultural significance. They represent the blending of Islamic aesthetics into Christian iconography and artistic traditions, showing how cultures influenced each other and enriched artistic expression in the Western world. During the period of trade and the Crusades, there was significant cultural exchange between Islamic and Western societies that greatly influenced artistic techniques. One key example is the transmission of mosaic craftsmanship. This exchange allowed Western churches to incorporate intricate and colorful religious imagery, elevating the visual impact and spiritual experience within these sacred spaces. Another important development was the transfer of manuscript illumination methods. These advanced techniques, developed in Islamic artistic centers along vital trade routes, brought new levels of detail and vibrancy to Renaissance texts. As a result, Western visual culture was enriched, blending traditions to create more elaborate and visually stunning works of art. This cross-cultural interaction played a crucial role in the evolution of artistic expression during that era. During the Renaissance, many artists looked to Islamic art for inspiration, incorporating its unique elements into their own work. For example, great masters like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo drew from Islamic patterns and architectural principles, blending these influences seamlessly into their compositions and designs. One of the key connections lies in the shared emphasis on geometry and proportion. Islamic art's focus on precise geometric forms and balanced proportions echoed the Renaissance pursuit of harmony and aesthetic balance in art. This cross-cultural integration wasn't just decorative, it represented a deep appreciation for the sophistication of Islamic aesthetics. Ultimately, this exchange helped drive important breakthroughs in Western art, enriching the artistic achievements of the Renaissance period. Islamic art has left a lasting mark on Western artistic styles, which we can still see clearly today. This influence highlights a rich history of cultural exchange, showing how different regions and peoples have continuously inspired one another. The legacy of Islamic art is really about blending diverse traditions, creating a unique fusion that has shaped art on a global scale. What's truly remarkable is how this exchange fosters artistic innovation, proving that creativity flourishes when knowledge is shared across both time and place. This enduring impact encourages us to appreciate the power of collaboration in the world of art,